It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, June 8th. I'm James Spann. Got some big storms firing up over parts of North Alabama and Tennessee this afternoon. There's a water vapor satellite view. Pretty good-looking trough is just north of the state, helping to add dynamic support for the showers and storms. Of course, also there's a surface front involved with that. That was a radar at 217. At that point, the heavier storms were across northwest Alabama. In fact, as I do this update, parts of Lauderdale County under a severe thunderstorm warning. Had some reports of some scattered wind damage up around the shoals with the storms passing through there. Away from the storms, pretty toasty today with mostly mid to upper 80s. Birmingham at 88. Huntsville, the warm spot. They've got 92, but Tupelo, Mississippi, they have a rain-cool 76 degrees. Nice look at the convection in progress with a visible satellite view across the southeastern states this afternoon. To the north, there is a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of western and middle Tennessee until 7 o'clock tonight. That's where the better dynamic support exists for strong to severe storms. And as you work your way up north, we have tornado watches in effect for parts of New York, Pennsylvania, down into Maryland, West Virginia, and the state of Virginia. A slight risk of severe weather, the standard risk, running from near Memphis up into New York State. A marginal risk down into the northern third of Alabama. Tomorrow, no severe weather risks here. There was a marginal risk in the day 2 outlook this morning. They've taken that out. And on day 3, a marginal risk for the southern half of the state. Overall rain for the next 5 days, not too much, 1/2 to 1 inch. A lot of that will be over the next 24 hours. And the tropics remain very quiet, at least in the Atlantic basin. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. That's a nice trough over the eastern U.S. And down below that, the surface front will be stalling out somewhere over North Alabama, probably close to the Tennessee River. North of the front, the chance of rain is small. The better chance, obviously, to the south. And again, the high-resolution NAM is suggesting the better chance of showers and storms tomorrow could be south of Interstate 20. Almost along Interstate 85, Montgomery over to Auburn and Opelika. That's 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Still, we'll mention some risk of scattered storms up this way. It's hard to get really dry air pushing this far south in June. It can happen, but maybe the better coverage of the showers and storms could be south of here. Wednesday, pretty typical summer day, partly sunny. A few spots could see a shower or storm. I'd say the highs between 87 and 90. That'll be the case really for Thursday and Friday. Scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Very typical for this time of the year. Partly sunny. Highs upper 80s most likely. Now, as the weekend begins on Saturday, ridging aloft begins to build, so the showers will probably thin out. I think a pretty good chunk of the weekend will be dry. I'm not saying the chance of rain is 0. That's not the case, but the showers should be widely spaced. And the same thing on Sunday. Highs for the weekend may be getting up in the low 90s in spots with a ridge building. And Monday of next week, you can see that upper high here across the southeast United States, pushing the westerlies way up north. And Monday looks basically hot and dry. Only a slight chance of a shower. Highs up in the low 90s. This is the end of the forecast. June 18th. Still got ridging all across the southern states. Hey, looks like summer, doesn't it? Westerlies up on the Canadian border. Little weakness in the ridge over Texas. And down below that, that just pretty much looks kind of hot and kind of dry. Temperatures over the next 15 days off the ensembles. The GFS running us up to 94 Sunday and Monday. That might happen. I think low 90s are more likely. And then, again, a chance of low 90s later in the month, June 21st through June 23rd. Those numbers a little above average. And sure enough, the CPC guys have us with above average temperatures for the period June 15th through June 21st. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.